guys, how you doing? I hope you all are doing good. It's the one and only Ellen Motsamai. Today I'm not here to swank. As you can see, I do not even have my makeup on. And it's okay, because you know the reason why we're here for business, we're not here for pleasure. Make sure you do actually subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll highly appreciate it, which is the Mount Walker AAA channel. Okay, and also I do have a sister channel to this channel whereby I speak in terms of mental health as well as mental motivation. What the hell is going on with my English? Also, you can check out my websites at the bottom, which is in the comment section, as well as you can also send me an email to mountwalkergroup@gmail.com if you have any questions or any business queries you want to speak to me about. Right, today I'm being myself, guys, okay? And I'm going to express to the highest capability regarding to this issue. What are the key components to a failed business? Now, as you know, I have spoken to y'all before, whereby I've stated that if, like, say, for instance, anything happens to your business, there is something wrong that you need to fix, okay? Now, you know that I have 25 years in business experience, so I've failed quite sometimes, you know, and sometimes I have failed so bad in the business sector. I have, guys, I have. So I'm actually sharing my mistakes and then my solutions, how I fixed it, and how now I'm an entrepreneur again, but this time in a solid form. Okay, you can actually check on any AI tool, the Mount Walker Group. Okay, that's my business, an AI company, as well as I own a welding business as well as I'm doing a lot of subsidiaries in the other side. Okay, so the first thing that I need to tell you is that, do you actually do your market research? If you have a lack of market research, what happens? Your business fails. So you need to check on your competitors, how they're doing their thing. Ting, tiling, a ling, a ling. My earring almost fell, guys. Can you see how I'm fixing this disaster? So you need to check on your competitors, and you need to check on your niche market. Who are you targeting? So the only way you can check on that is via SEMrush, okay, if you are an online business, or you can check on Google Trends if you're an online business, or if you're a physical business, you need to check your competitors or how they're doing their things, okay? So the fact that it can assist you. The second part that I also noticed in small businesses, how you'll fail, is that you do not build a strong online presence. So say, for instance, you got your TikTok. You're not telling them how to use your product. You're just saying, oh, buy this, oh, buy that. You can't do that. You have to build a rapport with your customers and tell them why is your product different from the rest of the products. Okay, so building your online market is important, especially when it comes to the presence, because your personality sells you. Unfortunately, it sells also your business. Okay, thirdly, okay, you're ignoring the business plan. A business plan wasn't done there at school for nothing. If you didn't go to university, it's fine. I fully understand. But a business plan is very important, because it actually sets you to say what is going to happen with your business. You understand? You're not going to go and just lose revenue and everything. You actually got a plan as to what you're going to do. It's not only for funding. Business plan is there to help you with everything. Okay. Also, fourthly, I also see that there's a problem with one thing that you're not even noticing, the most important thing, which is neglecting your customers. When the customer is telling you that you have a problem with your product, please fix it. Don't go fighting with the customer now. That customer is helping you, because the others are not talking about it. They're just going to go and use other people's markets or other people's products or other people's services or other people's coaching webinars. They're not going to use you anymore. They'll just keep quiet and just say, oh, never again. No, I'm not going to buy from this person. This person is trash. Okay, so you need to listen to your market. You need to listen to your customers. Your customers are always right. So make sure you do a survey. If it's not a survey, if you don't want to go and irritate their life, go and ask them for feedbacks. every time you get a customer and they've done work with you, ask them, did everything go okay? Then that's the right thing. Or you can even put an online survey, like not survey, but an online, like, panel whereby you ask them, did everything go well? That will boost your business. The reason why you care about them, you care about your customers. Your customers are always right. Lastly, guys, this thing of overlooking the importance of record keeping as well as POS sales is very, very bad. That's why you are losing revenue. You need to have a POS system that's going to tell you where the money is going to. You need to do record keeping. Now, you can't do it in terms of accounting. You're going to have to do it via Excel sheets, okay? Or you can even go and speak to a financial advisor and they will assist you with your business. You need to get help professionally, or even if you have to learn how to do it, because you need to do record keeping, because people steal. Your employees steal, okay? Not only that, you steal yourself. When you feel like going out with your friends, what happens? You take the money from the business and then you don't have a business anymore. So make sure you do record keeping of your finances. Now, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I am going to post another one, and I'm sorry about the lighting today, because unfortunately my light busted, so I couldn't get somebody to fix it quickly. Okay, so soon, maybe by this week, I'll fix it. Okay, my lighting. Bye guys, I love you. Wow. Bye.
You better subscribe to our channel for more business info.